Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into how to withdraw trial cash on Palmpay. If you've recently received trial cash and are wondering how to access it, you're in the right place. So first, let's begin by launching the Palmpay app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged in with your account. Now, once you're in the dashboard, navigate to the wallet or balance section to view your trial cash balance. Trial cash is typically given as a promotional offer and should be listed separately from your regular balance. Before you proceed, ensure you meet the eligibility requirements for withdrawing trial cash. Generally, you need to have a fully verified Palmpay account, meet any specific requirements and conditions set for the trial cash offer, and ensure that your account is in good standing and you have no outstanding issues. Now, navigate to the withdraw or cash out section in the app. This is where you'll initiate the process to withdraw your trial cash. Select the method you prefer for receiving your trial cash. Options may include bank transfer, mobile money, or other available options. Input the necessary details for your chosen withdrawal method. This typically includes the withdrawal amount and bank account or mobile money details if applicable. Review the details of your withdrawal request. Make sure everything is correct before confirming. Tap on Confirm or Submit to process your withdrawal. After submitting your request, Palmpay will process your withdrawal. You'll receive a notification once the funds have been successfully transferred. The processing time can vary based on the method you choose. Before attempting to withdraw trial cash, ensure you meet the following criteria, such as verified account, trial cash terms, where you should be aware of and comply with any specific terms associated with the trial cash offers, as well as ensuring your account is active and that there are no unresolved issues or holds. And that's all for today's guide on withdrawing trial cash on Palmpay. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you on the next one.